we'll guide you through how to download Blender on your Mac. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your favorite web browser and navigate to the official Blender website at blender.org. Once you're there, you'll see a prominent download button on the homepage. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the Downloads page where Blender will automatically detect your operating system. Since you're on a Mac, it should show a button that says Download Blender for Mac OS. Click this button to start downloading the installer. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded file, which should be in your Downloads folder. This will open a new window with the Blender application icon. To install, simply drag and drop the Blender icon into your Applications folder. This will copy Blender to your Applications folder, making it easy to access like any other app on your Mac. After the installation is complete, you can find Blender in your Applications folder and open it from there. If you get a warning about opening an app from an unidentified developer, you can bypass this by right-clicking the Blender icon and selecting Open from the context menu. This will allow you to run the app without further interruption. And that's it. Blender is now installed on your Mac and ready for you to create amazing 3D models and animations. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.